Okay, week 9 in English 12. This week we are submitting your complete draft of your paper, um, of your research paper to me. I can look at it and give you some feedback before it's due the following week. So take advantage of this. Submit your complete draft as early as possible in the week, and I can give you feedback, kind of a general idea of how you're doing before you submit it in week 10. And just let me clarify. So the complete draft is not your final draft, but it needs to be in complete form. So it needs to have all the pages. It needs to have a works cited page and a title. And I will give you feedback on this. And then in week 10, when you submit it as your final draft, I will grade it using the rubric and probably not include a lot of feedback and comments at that point. So submit this, and then we'll move on. You can submit your paper to the peer editing form for extra credit. So if you want some feedback from peers, this is an excellent way to see what other students are doing, give them help, and receive help from others so that you can submit it here for some extra credit. Your service learning project is due this week. This is your presentation on the research that you've done this year or this quarter on your research paper topic. So this is, if you were in a traditional classroom, think of this as like when you would stand up and explain your research paper to the class with a presentation, kind of, picture it on a projector behind you. So it should be visually pleasing, it should have important points, and it should explain your side of the argument and why you believe that that's the best way to go. So that's your service learning presentation. You'll submit it to me here, and you'll also need to share it with your peers in this forum here. So you'll post the link to your project, and then I encourage you to go in and look at what other students are doing and learn from them. And that is week 9. We're moving right along. Next week you will have your final paper due, and we'll be wrapping up the quarter. Let me know if you have any questions.